So we managed to install this fan. It took us 3 days. So me and my husband working long hours to figure this out, okay? The fan wise, it's installed now, so I'll just show you. So I like that they have put those lights at the back. That's a good thing, because before they used to have the other design, the lights were in the front. So now it is actually being used. And then noise wise, yeah, it's pretty not as bad. It's quiet exhaust fan. Yeah, this is the second 3. So there's 3 levels that you can use. So that's what it is. So it's okay. It's a good range hood for sure, 100%. I like it, and they have a nice big filters compared to the last one that I had. Now, my review about the installation. Let's get my review about the installation. It was very, very tough. Even though me and my husband worked for 3 days, there were screws that they have put, like very hard to reach, very hard for my husband to even install. So it was very, very tough. That's why it took us this long. So I would suggest to the company to make it more accessible, because there were 2 screws at the end of the wall right there. Those were okay, but the ones that were near towards where the light is to up on the cabinet, those were very tough, very, very hard. So I would suggest to the company to please make sure the locations of the screws have to be better in the design. Overall, I'm happy with the hood, but the installation was very, very tough for me and my husband. But yep, we worked as a team and got this done, even though it was tough. So that's my review for this range hood fan right here. So thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. Please share this video with your family and friends.